Hi everyone, my name is Satvik of Computer Science Branch Section C, roll number 20951A05G4. The topic which I got for concept video is compounding of plastics. Why compounding of plastics? Compounding plastics will enhance features like mechanical or physical and thermal properties of the compound, opticals, colors or visuals of the compound, functional properties of the compound, and it will reduce the cost of the compound. Ingredients play a key role to enhance compounded properties. Fibers to increase strength and stiffness of the compound, plasticizers for flexibility of the compound, lubricity of molded parts, antioxidants for high thermal stability of the compound, UV stabilizers for resistance to sunlight, filters for economy, flames, retardants and smoke suppressants, conductive fibers for electrical properties, color concentrates for colored plastic, polymer alloys and blends for performance plastics. Major trends in polyolefin compounding from integrated to independent, traditional integrated to polymer production, transition to be independent, cost structure or pressures in compounding different than polymer production, customer base quite fragmented and technical specifications intense for polymer producers, rapid consolidation and globalization in compounding industries, big compounders are getting bigger, polymers and Kingfa are getting bigger while ICO and other regional players are being consumed. Globalization seems to be key for serving global customers of compounding base in auto and packaging industry. Regional players thrive by partnering with global or other regional counterparts. Technology and innovation is key to success. Innovation in materials is used such as nano composite and other reinforcing agents provide unique properties akin to metals and engineered plastics. Intense research and technology, improvement in compounding equipment and techniques. Compounding fundamentals: how, why, and where. Plastic compounding. Compounding is the process of incorporating additives, modifiers into polymer for achieving uniformity on a scale appropriate to the quality of the article subsequently made from the compound. Compounding operations. Polymers additive reinforcement or filters are done in extrusion, then followed by strand penetration, followed by drying and finally packaging. Where compounding of plastics is used mainly, it is used in industrial industries for construction, auto, wire and cable, durables, consumer products, industrial application, aerospace, electrical and electronics, healthcare. It is thereby replacing metals, wood, national rubber, expensive engineered plastics, thereby reducing the cost. Automotive, a successful story for PP. 12% of PP total consumption is used in cars in Europe. 30 to 40% of all plastics is PP. More than 60 kgs of PP is used in modern car nowadays. Automotive industries trends and developments. In vehicles, low cost small car, green vehicles adoption of alternate fuel, CNG, LPG, biofuel, solar, etc., which are good for environment and also they are some are renewable. MUV and SUV becoming second family vehicle, mandatory fuel efficiency regulations, enhanced safety features, emphasis on aesthetics and comfort, increasing plastic penetration per car, materials, high flow, high impact stiffness balance, soft touch odor free materials for steering vehicle, handles, etc., metallic finish and good paintability, low density dashboard and interior trim, PPLFRT in front end module carrier. Advantages of plastics in automotive case study. 100 kgs of plastic reduces weight of car by 200 to 300 kg. Modern car saves 0.5 liters of fuels on every 100 kilometers of travel. Every light car saves 750 liters of fuel in its lifetime. Lesser the fuel consumption, lesser is the CO2 emission. ECEM to reduce average fleet CO2 emissions for new passengers cars from today's level of 160 grams per kilometer to 130 grams per kilometer, a reduction of 19%. Properly compound in automotives. Key requirements: good flow, good produce processability, no surface defects, good paintability, good dimension stability, excellent UV resistance, high low temperature impact. Compounding products in real life. Automotive exterior replacing metals, multi-layer barrier packaging replacing glasses and metals, aircraft exteriors and windmill turbines replacing aluminum alloys, sliding and roofing materials in home construction replacing wood and materials. So, with this, I have come to the end of my talk. I hope that compounding of plastics will help us in replacing costly products, thereby reducing the cost of production. With this talk, I hope that you have gained some knowledge. I take leave from you. Thank you and Jai Hind.